In today's video, I will walk you through how to use water paint soft edges in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the brush presets docker, search for water paint soft edges, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Paint with light pen pressure for soft, transparent strokes. Increase pressure for darker and more saturated areas while keeping smooth edges. Build up colors by layering multiple strokes instead of applying heavy strokes. For smoother color transitions, hold Ctrl to use the color picker and sample nearby colors while painting. Reduce the brush opacity or flow if you want an even softer watercolor effect. Water paint soft edges is perfect when you want smooth, natural-looking color transitions without harsh brush marks. It is great for creating watercolor effects and blending colors seamlessly. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, soft skin shading, clouds, skies, fog, mist, smoke, smooth gradients, landscapes, foliage, and blending large painted areas. And that's how to use water paint soft edges in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.